In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change trusted or registered device in Wise. A trusted device in Wise is the phone or tablet the app recognizes as your go-to place for approving sign-ins and security prompts. If you've upgraded your phone or you're moving away from an old device, updating this setting keeps your account secure and your logins smooth. Here's how to do it, clearly and safely, from the device you want to make trusted. Start on the device you'd like Wise to trust going forward. Open the Wise app and make sure you're signed in. It helps to have a reliable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed, since security settings can change with updates. Next, look for your profile icon or your initials. This is usually at the top left of the screen or inside the main menu. Tap it to open your account options. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Designs vary slightly across app versions, but the profile area is where you manage your account settings. Inside your account options, find Privacy and Security. That's the section where Wise keeps the controls for logins, verification, and device recognition. If you see a similarly named area like Security or Account Security, go there. Labels can differ slightly, but the contents are the same idea. Now open the setting called Two-Step Login. You might also see it named Two-Step Verification or 2FA. This is the protection layer that uses the Wise app on one device to approve sign-ins. This is also where your trusted device relationship is managed. From here, remove the existing 2FA method that uses the Wise app. Doing this clears the current trusted or registered device. Because you're making this change from the device you want to trust, clearing the old method ensures the previous device is no longer recognized for approvals. You may be asked to confirm this change with a code or a prompt. Approve it on the screen as directed. A quick note on safety. Removing the existing method temporarily turns off that particular two-step approval, so make sure you have this device handy and secured. Keep the app open and follow any on-screen guidance so your login protection remains in place. Don't share verification codes or approval prompts with anyone. That's all there is to it. By opening Wise on the device you want, heading to your profile, going into Privacy and Security, selecting Two-Step Login, and removing the existing Wise app method, you've cleared the old trusted device so your new one can take its place. If anything looks different in your app, use the closest matching labels and follow the prompts you see. Thanks for watching, and keep your account protected as you move to your new device.